Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. Since festive season is coming, I will be sharing a sweet recipe today using just 3 ingredients. In this video, we'll be seeing how to prepare Bassan Undo or Besan ladoo. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 3/4 cup of regular sugar, 1/4 to half cup of homemade ghee. Firstly, take a mixer jar and transfer the regular sugar into it. Now powder this finely. Next, take a mixing bowl and place a sieve on top of it and transfer the besan or gram flour into it. Sift the besan or gram flour well. The reason why we are doing this is it makes the gram flour lighter and also helps remove any impurities if there is any. Next, take a thick bottom kadai, and once the kadai is hot enough, into that transfer the besan or gram flour. Now dry roast this well until it turns aromatic. Make sure to saute and dry roast in low to medium flame, as dry roasting in high flame can get your gram flour easily burnt. Once your besan or gram flour is nicely dry roasted, it turns aromatic and also into a darker shade, you can stop further cooking and switch off the flame. Next, into this, transfer the powdered sugar. Now mix this well, and finally into this add the homemade ghee and give all the ingredients a good mix. Once all the ingredients are mixed well, immediately transfer this into a plate or tray. Now allow this mixture to cool down in room temperature for some time. Later, when the mixture is warm, take small portions of the prepared dough and press it between your palm and finger to prepare ladoos out of it. Repeat the process for the rest of the dough as well, and your delicious besan ladoo is ready. You can allow the ladoo to rest for another 4 to 5 hours on top of a paper towel or a tissue paper and later serve this. Now our delicious besan ladoo or Bassan Undo is ready. You can see how soft and yummy it is. So do try this 3 ingredient sweet recipe during this festive season, and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.